Alright, so we already got this one written out. 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1 over x plus a half. And so we're going to set this up. Okay, it's the opposite of whatever this half is, which is going to be a negative a half. Putting in our coefficients, 4. Now we don't have an x squared, so we got to put a placeholder in there. And then negative 5 and 1. I think I got that 1 a little close to the 5 there. Alright, bringing this 4 straight down. Alright, a negative a half times 4 is negative 2. And then we take we add these together, so that just becomes negative 2. Negative a half times negative 2 is going to be a positive 1. So we add those, we get negative 4. A negative a half times negative 4 is a positive 2. And we add those and we get 3. So that's not too bad. Now remember, we started with, this was 4x cubed. So we got to subtract a degree, so this is going to be 4x squared minus 2x minus 4 plus 3 over our divisor, which was x plus a half. Okay, and so this is all equal to our original fraction right there. And of course you should know how to check that, right? So you want to check that. Okay, alright, let's look at another one. Alright, in this one here we're going to have x to the 6th minus 64 over x minus 2. Now there's a long way, well, there's a way of working this out. A longer way of factoring this stuff, and x minus 2 will go into it evenly and you'll be done. But anyway, we're using synthetic division. So we're going to use the opposite of this sign here, 2. We have x, we don't have x to the 6th. About messed that up. We have a 1 as the coefficient. Now we don't have an x to the 5th, nor do we have an x to the 4th. We don't have an x to the 3rd, or an x squared, or even an x. That's a lot of zeros. And then minus 64. Alright. So we draw a line, or we attempt to draw a line, bring the 1 down. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add those. 2 times 4 is 8. Add those. 2 times 8 is 16. Right, adding that. 2 times 16 is 32. And 2 times 32 is 64. And when we add that, we get 0. So that's good. Remainder of 0. Alright, so we end up with, we started with an x to the 6th. This would be 1 times x to the 5th. Plus 2 times x to the 4th, plus 4 times x to the 3rd, plus 8 times x squared, plus 16 times x plus 32. Yep, and then plus, well, we don't have a 0. I mean, we got 0 here for the remainder. So if you were to put 0 over the quotient, it'd just end up being 0. So that's what I was saying is that you can actually factor this. This is going to end up being, you can look at it as a difference. I'll just write this up real quick. There's a couple ways of looking at this. This would be 4 to the 3rd. This is the difference of 2 cubes. You can factor that. You just keep factoring it. There's an x minus 2 in here somewhere anyway. But you can also do it that way. But this is a demonstration of using synthetic division. Demonstration on using synthetic division. So I think this is probably enough examples on synthetic division, and hopefully that you were able to keep up with what was going on. Alright, thank you.